Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Haylee. Today we are tackling a massive, much needed deep clean in my house. My house was just getting out of hand and regular just deep cleans weren't cutting it. I needed to tackle walls, furniture, the floors, windows, all of those kinds of things. We're going to be cleaning in the dining room, kitchen, and my bedroom. And if you are always looking for some cleaning motivation, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it.
See how I effortlessly get it right. 그리 다른다고 다 되는 것도 아니야. You could try it all you want and waste your time. You look ahead a million people in the line, but I'm one step away until the day I will be gone. Baby, you're a shooting star or a rising star. Name yourself.
I wanted to get started here today in the dining room because the kids had gotten done eating, so there was a mess in here. So I figured instead of bringing a mess back into the kitchen after cleaning it, let's start in the dining room. So I cleaned up all of the dishes, just wiped down the table, and then I'm going ahead now and cleaning these chairs. They were really in need of a good clean, and I'm just using some all-purpose cleaner that I have. You see, I actually started out with a different one, and that one was like basically gone, so I just threw that one out. And then the chair that really needed it was actually Wasey's, because his gets just so gunked up with food. He's touching like every little surface all the time, so if you don't get it, it just builds up over time. So that one was like where I really was like, I need to work on this. But I was like, if I'm gonna clean this chair, I might as well just do them all. They all kind of just need it at this point. So that was my plan of action for that. And then I also was like, let me just clean this table like legs really quick, because food gets thrown on that all the time and I don't clean that on a regular basis. I will say there are so many other things that I should have cleaned, and so I'll probably just continue to do that as I remember. But today I was just trying to get everything that I was kind of thinking of at the moment, but not trying to spend too much time. But one thing that I'm thinking of now is I need to dust the light fixtures. And then something after, as I was actually editing, I was like, why didn't I dust any of these blinds? That was so dumb. So I cleaned all of the windows you're going to see, but I didn't dust any of the blinds. So that's something that definitely needs to happen, because I haven't dusted those in a really long time. So I'm going to be adding that to my future deep cleaning list. But I was only able to get the dining room, kitchen, and bedroom done on this day. So I'm going to, in my next video, work on the kids' bedroom, the bathroom, and then the living room, and then I'll probably split up the downstairs in a different video. But I'm super excited. We ended up getting some blackout curtains and blackout blinds for the kids' room. You'll see that because the kids had just been struggling lately to go to bed, and then Wasey actually figured out how to get out of his crib. So we've been trying to just get bedtime to be a little bit better, not take as long. It was taking like over 2 hours. We finally got it down to like an hour or so, but it definitely is a long process, and so we're trying to figure out good ways to get them to go to bed easier. And the blinds, I think, are definitely helping, having it just be pitch black in there instead of having the light in and having the kids think that it is time to still be awake. But we're gonna go ahead and clean these walls. That was something that they're constantly getting splattered because of the food. I also should have cleaned these curtains, but I'm saving that for another day too. We're just trying to get in and do as much as we can, and you know, there's always time that I can be improving in deep cleaning spaces, but for now we were just getting to what I could get to.
Get it right. Get it right. Think that's right.
It's all about the nonsense. Just focus on yourself. It's all about the nonsense.
Keep moving on. I'm one step away until the day I will be gone. shooting star or a rising star. Name yourself in a galaxy. Don't let the others fool your mind. 붙잡아야 할 건 only your tenacity. Gotta get it right. Gotta get it right. Name yourself in a galaxy. Gotta get it right. Gotta get it right. It's the necessity. Infinite loop of fall and rise. We fall and rise again and again, again, then again. 반짝이는 수많은 stars. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you're a shooting star or a rising star. Name yourself in a galaxy. Don't let the others fool your mind. 붙잡아야 할 건 only your tenacity. Gotta get it right. Gotta get it right. Galaxy. Gotta get it right. Gotta get it right. It's the necessity.
My floors are honestly what kind of kickstarted me wanting to do such a thorough deep clean around my house, because these floors I could literally mop 3 times a day because they just get so gunked up from having kids, but especially a toddler who, when he decides he's done, he just throws it all on the ground instead of just saying, I'm done, we'll get there. But you know, it's still that phase. I remember Waverly going through that when she was this age as well, so I'm just looking forward to when that is no longer the phase and he can just say he's done. But that's what really kickstarted me wanting to fully deep clean this, because I knew my floors were in such desperate need of this mop. I will say I do use my Tinko cordless vacuum mop pretty regularly, but I feel like my floors just never get that clean unless I'm using my O-Cedar. So definitely was very glad that I got those floors clean. That was like the biggest thing that I was really wanting. So that dining room feels so much cleaner now. I'm so glad that I got that all taken care of. We're gonna move on into this kitchen. It really wasn't too like cluttered. I just had to kind of pick up a few things, wipe down the counters, and then we're going to clean the windows and then clean the cabinet fronts, the cart, the microwave, use, I can't think of what the word is, spray away on all of the appliances, just get this space feeling nice and refreshed. And also just doing the floors the same way that I did the dining room. But I'm so looking forward to getting this backsplash done here in the near future. Once we get our sod put in this week, we will probably start to focus on this. I'm very excited just to help this space be brightened up and just look more refreshed and put together. So I'm really looking forward to that. But I'm also, I think, more looking forward to the fact that we are getting sod this week. It has been a long time coming. We are finally at that point where we can get grass, and it's going to be so nice to be able to use our backyard and not just have it be a mud hole where the kids just get messy, which I'm totally fine with, but just it's not really convenient for like during the day play, like in the morning, and then having to come back inside because they almost have to get a bath then. So it's going to be nice that we can go play out in the morning and then come inside for nap time and lunch and then go back outside and play and not have to worry about a bath instantly. And overall, just going to be so nice. We're going to be able to spend so much more time outside because we live on a very busy road. So you have to keep eyes on, especially Wasey, the whole entire time. You cannot look away or else he is right to the road. That's exactly where he wants to go. So it ends up just being like a chasing battle where you're just constantly following him, moving him back, because he's just that busy age. So it's gonna be nice when we can just be in the backyard playing. And then we're gonna also get a metal swing set, which I think the kids will love, and it'll just give them something else to play with. So I'm very much looking forward to that. I'm sure I'll be sharing here in a little bit what that ended up looking like.
I thought you loved me. You love me. Ooh, I honestly thought that you loved me. Love me. So why would you make me? You make me go to stupid parties with your homies. When you know
kids had started out by playing downstairs, and then halfway through me cleaning the kitchen, the kids ended up coming upstairs, and Wasey definitely just wants to be all a part of it, looking at everything that I'm doing. He definitely loved the mop water, which I usually try to mop, I feel like, during Wasey's nap, but I was trying to just get cleaning done while the kids were occupied, so he ended up coming up while I was mopping, so I kept having to stop and move him out of the way so he wasn't touching the water, because then he would try to splash it everywhere. So, you know, just the little mom things that you end up having to deal with as you're trying to get things clean. But we got that rug taken up and vacuumed. I want to get a new rug so bad. I just don't know which one to get, especially because where it goes under that cart when it's put into place, it's hard to roll that back and forth, and it is nice being able to use those drawers when we need to. It keeps like some of our sandwich bags and then just other like utensils like ladles, measuring cups, things like that we're not using on a regular basis. So it's nice to be able to use that, but it's kind of a pain to move that rug. So I'm thinking maybe getting one that's maybe more of like a square that'll fill more of this kitchen space. What do you think about that? And then I'm also wondering if I just get like a smaller runner. I've really just been trying to decide. So if you have any ideas on a rug that could go in this space, let me know. It is a pretty small space, so I'm trying to figure out exactly what I want to do. And I'm also just keeping my eye out for some cute baskets for our carts. That way we can eventually add items into there. But for now, I've just left it blank because I don't want to just buy something just to buy it. I want to make sure that they're going to be useful and good, because I know that the kids are going to want to touch them, so I want them to be good quality. So if you have any recommendations of good baskets I could put there, let me know as well. But we're going to finish these floors, get them all mopped. The kitchen is going to be nice and clean, which I am super happy about. I love just having really clean floors. I wish I could have got the whole house cleaned all in one day. That is just so nice and refreshing, but realistically that just can't happen. It takes too much time, especially with the deep clean that I was trying to do today. But we're going to move on into my bedroom now. I wanted to get the sheets changed, put on new ones, and then just do some light dusting around the house, or not the house, the room. And then I also wanted to clean these windows, and I seriously, every time I pull up the blinds, I'm like, why didn't I dust? Every single time, like, what was going through my brain to realize, like, to think not to dust. So if you're thinking that too, I know, I wish I would have done that. But needed to get a few spaces done. Something else that I was like, I should have done that while I was cleaning was the ceiling fans too, because I'm sure that they are in desperate need of it, especially lately where the spiders have been coming out. I feel like I look and there's like a new spider web, mainly outside, but you know, there still gets to be the one or two that come inside. But we're gonna dust the dressers here in just a second, clean the window, not the window, the mirror. Oh my goodness, my brain. And then we're also gonna vacuum. Something else that I really was wanting to do as well was vacuum along the edge of the walls where the baseboards are, because I feel like tons and tons of crumbs get stuck in there. So that was something else that I was really wanting to try to focus on. So that's also what I'm doing around this space as I'm vacuuming. I'm also going to be sharing a little hack that I figured out how to vacuum. I didn't share it, or I didn't remember to put it back in when I had first started vacuuming, but I wanted to show you once I got into the bedroom and I was like fully vacuuming carpet. But what you're going to do is you're just going to take some laundry, like scented beads. I just get mine from Kirkland's. I can't remember the exact scent. I show it in a little bit, but you're just going to take off your, well, at least for mine, I have like the shark vacuum. You're just gonna lift the waste bucket area, whatever you want to call it, and underneath there's the filter. You're gonna take that out, and then there's also like another little filter on the bottom. If you want like a better like video of it, let me know, and I can always do it in like a short video as well. But then you're just gonna stick it, the unstoppable beads, just over that little thin filter, so that way it's not actually going directly into the vacuum, but it's able to reach it. And then you're going to stick the big foam piece of the filter on top of that, and then as you're vacuuming, it just gives off such a clean scent, and your room just feels instantly cleaner. And I feel like this is a good hack when you are having company over, because you can literally vacuum and like the whole house just has a new scent of like good, like fresh scent into the space. So that is definitely a good hack that I've figured out and do now. So you'll have to let me know if you've already do this or if maybe you're gonna try it now. I definitely need to clean my filter, so that's something that I need to do in the near future too, because that definitely helps out too by keeping your filter clean, not only for the vacuum to work better, but also to have the smell work a little better too. I was able to get the kitchen, dining room, and now the master bedroom all cleaned up. Don't forget, this is just part 1 of my whole house massive deep cleaning series. Part 2 is going to come out Monday at 10 a.m. where I'm going to be sharing the kids' rooms, the upstairs bathroom, and the living room. And the kids' bedroom is definitely in need of some good cleaning and organization, so make sure that your notifications are turned on so you don't miss it. Thanks so much for cleaning with me today, and I'll see you Monday. Don't forget to check out this video next.